Realme GT2 series is all set to go official after teasing and slowly revealing information about Realme's upcoming flagship GT2 series. Realme founder and CEO officially said, "I have got something excited news. GT2 Pro, our first ever premium flagship phone, will be unveiled in mainland China on Jan 4th. So Realme is coming in its home market, and this news has been certified by Tena company and also reveals some specification in the process. You guys might be thinking we have seen penalty of leaks and teaser before regarding Realme's upcoming GT2 series, and it's quite looking different from that vendor. So let you know guys, Realme GT2 Pro comes in 3 versions. Yes, Realme is preparing 3 distinct GT2 Pro phones. According to well-known tipster on leaks and Tena, there are regular GT2 Pro, a Realme GT2 Pro Master Edition, and a GT2 Pro camera variant. There will be a distinct devices, and it's remain to be seen if they will all launch on 4 January or at later dates. We have already seen before the Realme GT2 Pro camera variant, which might be seen on January. Recently, Vogue Italia post regarding the Realme GT2 Pro Master Edition. This is pretty exciting. This device showed by Vogue magazine, which is looking quite amazing. Coming to the design, the back of Master Edition GT2 Pro is made of biopolymer material, paper feel, which designed by Naoto Fukasawa from Muji company with metal frame, so it's gonna be smooth and great in hands feel. This smartphone is 8.2 mm thick and 199 grams. This device comes with a 6.7 QHD AMOLED 120Hz 2K resolution with narrow bezels, along with in-display fingerprint scanner. The GT2 Pro features total of 4 cameras, a 32 megapixel selfie shooter, and a triple set on the back with a 2 50 megapixel and 1 2 megapixel unit. The second 50 megapixel camera is 150 degree ultra wide angle lens, which is the industry's highest super wide angle lens, while the 2 megapixel camera could be the one of the depth or micro unit. Coming to the specification, Realme already confirmed GT2 Pro series coming with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Tena company confirms that the Realme GT2 Pro comes with 2 RAM variant 8GB and 12GB, and storage coming in 3 variants 120GB, 256GB and 512GB, along with Android 12 with Realme UI 3.0, and this will be the first to have Realme's ultra wide band hyper smart antenna switching to 12 antennas all around the phone with 5G. Tena has listed the GT2 Pro with a rate battery capacity of 2440 mAh battery, which likely refers to a single cell. The total capacity of a battery is to be 5000 mAh and expected to support 120 watts fast charging. Also, there are very first look of Realme 9i through official render, so the next year is gonna be the quite amazing for Realme. There are a lot of devices to launch, so stay tuned. That's all for now. See you in the next video, and thank you for your love and support. Peace out.